Elom ye simple girl be of people to our region. Me, I'm learning pa.
Tina mo first time. I'm a fond of more of you. Gosh, umani abano. It's me charming. What I say?
Buy your milk for dear.
I saw
na ho kakra nsa na me ba akra.
Okay.
Me din ankasa Elom Aba.
Aba, okay.
Na eya mpempi nkofo bisa se I been na odi aba so.
Aba kan me bisa.
Ai aba maji anya na mo. Eya I gbedi. Ewa.
Eho si ho bi ma.
Me se ka obeka ketema. You're shortening it to Abba.
Okay.
And Elom Abba.
Okay.
Nam papa a police officer with free.
Okay.
No chin or
Okay.
police officer.
Okay.
Chief Inspector Corridor Chumo.
Oh, okay.
See. Now 4. Me man 4.
Okay.
Them Abba with free last year.
Oh, so sorry, sis.
Anything.
Sorry.
Me call African Child, me sa kwa Chimota School Kakra, and I'm being real African Child, and sana me call Empire Secondary School.
Okay, African Child, no, emphasize.
African Child no Accra.
Accra, aso, emphasize.
It was Mile 7.
Oh,
Mile 7.
Okay.
And I'm the kwa Chimota Preparatory School Kakra.
Okay.
And I'm sa call back to African Child.
Wow.
And
Sata nesika ofi Jessica for
yeah, average people, yan sheda yan kofo aye beka say you was can be bree while only police officer.
But emu ye
Sheda yan say my breast a kodo we fuo mu this anya. But it was okay. And a little about me and I me do me call prior to secondary school. Me feel what pen and me share will be and check crown and share producer. Ultra movie. By that time, no ultra movie. No only Harry Lord and a year Juma.
Okay.
He was a marketer. So she and Anna, yes, a year Juma boom.
Okay.
So only a friend in Young Consum Production. Yani a co-register. I met him. I co-register a production in the BBR.
Okay.
So I am part of it.
One ex-husband. Worry at the age of
21.
Who is school at the age of 18
years.
Okay.
I'm getting to 18. Maybe a school term. Within 17, 18, I'm be SS. Yeah.
Okay. And I worry at the age of 21.
To 21 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're quite.
You do that time no. And I'm very worried. I think 21, 22 and I'm worried.
Okay.
My ex-husband and I started production so as well. And see, I think we started from the scratch with him. And see, we thought of building our own way production house, which is Nyan Control Production. We flew on, yes, I am marketing as well. It's near marketing movies by then. There's some marketing movies. It's now better Nyan Control 1 and 2. Say me never.
And yet never achapa
industry no matter.
But still now na dear would see us so now would say wow. Wow, young causes.
See, and no one yet did more. Yeah, we do something fancy. Yeah.
Na when acting no one na so say we share producer na or do Ibrahim.
Na me need acting no pa.
Okay.
But na me need means and ways am di benya.
Okay.
Nti na asamatoma di nti me be share sani pay ya ono so no pay we know ye marketer oni producers na ntene sa nyama. Na oka so ono so ni need ho ni say the same thing. Ono no pia me call Harry Lord for first. And sana yanka say be ye production house.
Okay. And see, time I know when you no, or try so be call other producers one on one, sana say a koye.
I think I tried only one.
Okay.
And now they may try, you know. Sana enkofu bi omuso mufi Arab. And now mobile omuso mo your audition in koi. Na me nim says enkofu na by this time coming Ghana, Jamami war Arab baby. Oh, woman my informed to be beside and say, I can say you betra a year, you can say. Sorry to say, Puno, and I can say, yeah, a bit chop on Ukraine. That time near desperate into ya call for audition. Ubia say, aye. Wow. Teach you know, me bear fear. And I sister beside me say, if I'm not when I'm chain baby, I'm going to say, share. And this agro no cry, and cook. And yes, sir, uncle fool. Nti I didn't respond to their call again after. If you want man try baby. So send me meeting my ex-husband.
Okay. At that time no say one actress and I make say one me trust me kadien o passion na o person ka we.
Me no, me so ni na me pay adwuma. Me person be a businesswoman.
Okay.
I didn't want to go to school. So
a businesswoman. Yeah.
Because I'm any jiska, would be am sika woman.
Okay.
And I mean say cancel your wopa. A year adwuma pe na be most.
Okay.
And to me from conscience now I just wanted to be a businesswoman.
Oh.
Yeah. And see me nya sa akwanya we so I thought to say well, so trust in now we sika. You know. That was why I went into that too.
So kind of business Ben and they will stream at that time and I said that age, you know. Say now person we.
Okay, now I like cooking too as well. Into now me person me here cooking restaurants kesiye. Na me nwe aduane ne sanyaman. So that was my first aim. And our second one year say mako for fanya mafi China say me so obi akọ China America ko fanya man na me fe. So you're a busy person or cover. So that was my something and come in movie. Okay, no I'm yeah.
Movie ben do eba lamplight in
it was
a breben so na do epi.
Acho kaya you.
Kaya you na
me yeah.
I was avo. But I want screen so.
Nkwa ayo tima brenya we in a bi na ayi.
Ano pay akole ya de bonki. Hey, o ya de bonki me ka. Asem kitwe be chere me manya ne hwe. Metia ne kitwe bi pe. Agbeli fa ho me. Na ani woni ndi waka chere me. Hani ofre me kaya yo, abuna fi kaya yo. Hani agbeli de kasa chere no. Anase ginedi.
Aye, when was that movie? Hey sister, wa bwadwuma jai what's it? Ya misha waso mjana pa. Okay, yen so.
Kaya you na kankan nyame agata. But kaya you pa na bringing me out.
Kaya you pa na bring you out. Okay.
Yeah, kaya you na bringing me out. If you walk on me. But not one thing about me was that time na me production I mean my ex-husband no. I didn't manko other production houses, which I regret now. Because that time na me a boss of my own. Until friend me cry na I don't know how I will charge you. And I also cry for it or be friend because friend me na yes I will big shop I will Accra Kumasi for need movies ba my marketing nti yeah no mo ba bebre some say you but not I didn't allow myself because now me say oh let's movie bebre yeah me ankasa me movie nti why should I go further
obepese obehye one okuno anase meka say o ex-husband mo experience kakra because now woka say wadamfo bi eba bechi okuno eno ne mawarigyaye no
Debbie
okay
eno de nye no a ono de ya problems nti ono de me pese me go deep into our real no but pese me ka de adamfo de me favor through that experience of jawari our real ni de eno be later
ye pese nka eno so yete because ye pese ye hu say aware no wona ugyae ukunu anase ukunu nankasa eno so wabre onware bi obejai because mo andwen sebi kola na mode omo abe ewiase no mo andwen omo hu ena mo gyae
Debbie aware ni de miscommunication ene nyeme bi eba mu edwuma ye bomu nsem anything ye treaty ye ho especially say me ex-husband treat him to sakola because that time me sha and I'm a worry say me catch you say me share be man around 18 years me net na kakra and say na ye worry 21 22 there about no nti na nyeme bi wo ho a on family
treat you to say akola sesen asin how me ntwa wa no
won say sisi na ka me worry a se me ni me kunu ye adwuma anka me pese obetua meka every month
me say huntia
to say worker because na me ni ye adwuma to say worker what you say nti e be ma me ankasa na me ndem ho se ye be ye adwuma bomu ska beba ye mienu ene ye di sika ne bom nti na che se bibisi a na che se ye nyina ye ho be kire eno ene dey sansem sem we nua ba esi kasam be say na fu bisa say na sika ne ye because no no nko na me di bibia ma no impo me cast kora obeto ama me no age odi onu ni din eto so nti say na say me se me ton ka na I have no say
Oh.
Na me sanso. Nti na ye me say aware de you say one shall be two, say two shall be we are one, right?
Wow.
Nti eno ediminya nkasa awa brabo. E che say ye ja aware no na me ni hwe.
Wow.
Bibie ni ho amewo.
Obi a woni na ye joint production abom. Account everything. Make us say production ne kra no wona wo man is kamo.
Yeah. Because
Na fe yes. That times we nim e wo bebia di odu be ye bia.
Yeah.
And I see the odu be tusu bia no ye to. But when free na kumem anye property bia ma wa make us odi wan kasa odi ni e to so. Wow. Wow. Say huntia.
On say na misa. Na me ni obi a obetu for me nuanom ye 4 me na me kwa aware mu ntem.
Mo ye madodo say.
E ma 3
na by ma 1.
Okay. Be ma 1 be ma na ye bakan.
Okay. Okay.
Na oba na odi m'anim no ono ware.
Okay.
Nti na oni experience bia fa nyame bia so I was lucky say me na me ware ntem. Nti na me ni advice bia so fi obi a ho. Ena akoye se me maame nso or that cool type. Nti o maame bi wo ho a wafofa nyama bi ni mu nti no ukọ ba bia obetimi atea wo. Me maame ye that type on dem paibo na ena eboko bibia fa benyame. So ti ase. Nti eye sa no na ware a me ko mu no. Eye me so we be ma we di onu na me ni be.
Okay.
Because man dan dwon ho da se me ni be jai.
That time na daddy make us o papa police ni.
Yeah.
Na ase police ni anase meka say police ni ba police ni pani ba na kwaji utrinsa anase wakwa aware na wo fa aware mu atete wo hawo ede na papa e ka fa ho because meka say ma de bi o paibofo ntino ntimi enye ho hwe ni ade ede na daddy eye fa ho as a police officer na police ni pani
me papa typical amlani.
Okay.
Anglafo aware ye list bibiri anglafo aware ye list bibiri nti akoye se ye warewa unsan befi.
Okay.
Ti dwene ho asana wako. Nti me papa kro hu se me konye me bi mu no satam na ye too late.
I was one country no ni nkomo wono ma me di nkomo chen o papa.
Yes. Na me ma me ne de bia mpaibo nyeme bi wo ho sa to a so wa mompaya. Nti no me papa no latter part na obeti ye no na ye too late. I think time o ti asem ni se ne ye kọ eba no. Ade o ka che me an se brefi.
Wow.
Na me hwes fi amesa ko baby e ye ware me wa na me kwa kotena. Sister na me fere ba.
Enti ene se obasa wanu no ho. Fanem from so channel. Esan mudachi ekudie enkola na omukita mo na. Obesan na tana.
There be because time na me here no. Nkola si say bakotra BC. Ti say o ma ye mature do mo kasa mpeni nsem mu. E ma che so mo hu video bi kura mo timi fro ka say mami why do you have to talk like this? E cheche onyame ma fe na me here no. There be. See ade me here no.
Counselor. Hello. Ensema elom aba e kan bremu kakra e mame na fe yensan enko no.
That's mommy chia with you.
Let's see for the national camera anywhere.
You make it come. Many other yasama.
A chocasa denka.
Many other yasama okay. A mother degree at them.
Okay.
What you say? Now, and Kuala it's a main kind of too much.
Okay.
Okay.
And
then the man is swinging.
Okay.
Now, what call coordinate?
Okay.
What one of whom?
Wow.
Ha. Because baby, Anna, or kind of any dear home, we say, Messia Meadow. Na me na bobra. Me say baby, I made Drew Bearman. What am I an idea? Me so me baby, I be fee. Me Jibberman, Jimmy, when you mujidi. Ti me jami o me bebre di asenensa me de me di kura di se nkomisa be ma na ansa o ti ase de me hya kura di se mbisa be ma na ansa me me di se mbisa be o ti mi se me nua bebe me busua kura sika
I just saw free bear man.
I said Bruchra warrior.
As I go to warrior. Se me nua ba nim ye bi ye mobo anase mame bi yare na so be ma ne bibi a je so free bear man ho na bear man andwene oba no emfa so a ode abre no e na oba no contribution wa contribute e won a life who your ba young lady who share me say so who kuru ne we ye adwuma very good but try say obetimi agina ma wo so
okay
because our warrior no anase life no car na amuchimu no ya awari akwantu no tie betimi apai
okay
who need spare tire wo be ye den who need choose a wo be betu tire na wo be ye den tie ni bi na apai ama me ni aba we ondo be man going to be ne mbobra kora be dis am be
so it is
yes dear
yes have back to ho
okay
abrabom e die e no bi dia ye wa wo be ka se owure emfi da eye den anipa be ka se abrabom nipa bia wo deep life experience ye pese oni ye nhye wa abrabom deep and deeper me ka se eno die untumi mfa nche nipa no eda
hey asam no wabo sisi let's say after our year me and my colleague ye madia we fit that
wow
me ye Christo ni nti no me ka se me mfa nche no but metimi di ache no but me ntimi ni nye free da me hunu wo ba bia metwem ba bia me di ache no
wo di ache no esan se uye Christo ni nti but untimi ni nye free da kosi da Yesu ebeba ne san huntia e na ye hwan so ye pese hawa ubodin because experiences in life so na oti says
edin bono me dwene ho anka mebo pa because ninsuro make because no cre na make
okay
ade di minya ma me ne nkrofo bi anka ombe boa me after my marriage yentem titi yesi ti anka mebo nipa ni din but me kasa wo a wonim nipa no wo industry ni bohu nipa America no ho ase
okay
girl bi betna obetna wo fidie so a ebe kasa ebe ka life experience
okay
ono na America no ho ase
girl be
last week aso yi
edusafo ana
I think so
oh
sanse me ni wonya asama me yi wo fi ma adwem eni tiri sanse me hu nipa se anka ye enua a ye chese ye boaboa ye ho se onyonko ho kire no na se wo akonya bi se wo beboa na na se wo de no koto ogemu saa bia na chese wo ye baifo
wow enti opese o kire se girl no o ye baifo
asama me kan sa na make so obia wo hu se onyonko ho kire no na opese wo ye na ne nyama nyina sei na se twantrogu no so de na wo ye baifo because in trocha no e ye bayi se wonimu pa se ade a wo ka no enye no kre nso no waka no e ye bayi nye nam nko a bayi ye se wo de obi ba kotu ade bi mu ama ha nipa no forever ama onne ne nyonko bi no na nkrofo bi eboa mo eboa no no omuntem tete na de na wa ya ama nipa no